Hello and welcome to this May 4th, 2010 video version of Invested Central's Chart of the Day. I'm Tom Boley, Invested Central's Chief Market Strategist, and it's my pleasure to provide you with today's Chart of the Day. This Chart of the Day is brought to you by stochastics.com, simply the web's best financial charts. Today we are featuring Telestone Technologies, ticker symbol TSTC. This is a $145 million technology company. What I find interesting here about the chart is when you take a look at the move that this stock made back in, I guess it was really from about, say, mid-August. The stock was trading just a little over $4, ran all the way up to $24 by early January. So really just a little more than 4 months, the stock moved from $4 all the way up to $24. So it was a huge move. You can see tremendous volume on the way up. So there was a lot of accumulation going on. Also during this entire move to the upside, or most of the move to the upside, you can see the RSI was above 70, in many cases above 80, and the stochastics almost lived above 80 and spent a lot of the time in the 90s. So very overbought throughout this move to the upside. Now anytime a stock moves up like that, it needs a period of consolidation, and many times you'll see the consolidation take the form of a triangle, and that's what we've seen here with TSTC. We've got a consolidating descending triangle where you can see the lower highs coming into play, and at the same time we have equal lows. So it gives you this triangle effect. We haven't pinched all the way in yet. This could continue for a little while, but we are at a key support level. You can see after this move up in early December where we made the breakout, we were actually in a bull flag. We made the breakout above $14, had very nice volume to the upside to confirm that breakout, and on each return visit to this 1350 to 1375 area, we've seen TSTC hold support right in that area. Monday's candle, you can see the low went down as low as 1302 intraday, but it did manage to hold at 1375 on the close, so it appears to be holding its support area. Also notice that on this false breakdown to the downside, the MACD actually is much higher. So we have a positive divergence in play at the same time that we're testing support in an uptrend. This is just a consolidation period after an uptrend. We'll have to see which way this breaks. Clearly a move back down, say below 13 to 1350, would not bode well, especially if the volume were to pick up to the downside. But likewise, if this area holds and we start seeing volume on the way up, we could easily break this triangle pattern and then make a move further to the upside. Now this triangle right now measures, the top of the triangle is at 24, the bottom is at about 1350 or so. So you've got about $10, $10.50. If we break this downtrend, then you can tack on about $10.50 to it. So if we break it soon and we get through, say, about $17, this would measure up to about $27 to $27.50. So it could be a big move to the upside, but it is a small company, like I said at the open, $145 million market cap. So it is going to be a little bit more volatile. It is a Chinese company, which I think adds even more volatility. So I think we just have to be careful here, but do realize that we are down near a critical support level. I hope you've enjoyed our presentation today. Be sure to check out our chart of the day every day at investedcentral.com. While you're there, sign up for our free weekly Market Pulse newsletter and have the chart of the day emailed directly to you. Happy trading.